Oimore, Nyinga, and Achieng. Good evening. Oimore means good evening. So that is the kind of greeting that you use when the day is coming to an end. So Oimore, Ahinya, a very good evening. You can also say Oimore Baba, Oimore Mama, Oimore Nyaminwa, Oimore Owadwa. Oimore Nyaminwa is Oimore my sister. Oimore Owadwa is Oimore my brother. So Oimore from wherever you are in the world. Thank you so much for tuning into my channel. Nyinga and Achieng. My name is Achieng. So Chieng means the sun. So in the Luo culture, you are named according to the time of the day when you were born. So I was born when it was very sunny. Nonyuola, I was born. Echien, in the sun. Kisumu, I was born in the sun in a place called Kisumu. So that is where I was born. So that is why I'm so happy. When it's sunny, I am happy. So nonyuola echieng, nonyuola. So if you are listening to this channel and you are a child, you can go ask your parent, Mama, nonyuola sadi, Baba, nonyuola sadi, Mom, when was I born? Dad, when was I born? So back then would be named according to the time of the day when you were born. Koro kawuono wadwaro goyo mbaka. Today, we want to tell stories. Mbaka is stories. So when I was young, again, whenever we used to visit our grandparents in the village, we would sit under this huge mango tree every morning, and our grandparents, who were Dani, meaning grandma, and Kwarwa, meaning grandpa. Kwaru, Kwarwa, wow, would tell us stories. You know, they tell us mbaka, never goyo mbaka, about the things that used to happen a long time ago, chon ahinya, when they were young people. So we grew up listening to a lot of stories. Mbekni, mbaka, mbekni. Maneti more, that used to happen. Mati more, kaluo, or whatever place in the world. Koro kawuono chieng rien. Today, it's sunny. Kawuono chieng. The sun is shining. Chieng rien. So wherever I am right now, you know, it's not usually sunny. So today is one of those days when it's sunny and it's beautiful and we are happy. Koro chieng rien kawuono. It is sunny today. Wamor. We are happy. Amor. I am happy. Amor ahinya. I am so happy. Amor newach chieng rien. I am happy because newach. I am happy because chieng, the sun, rien. Rien means something that is shiny. You know, when the sun shines and all its rays are coming down. Wawacho, we say, ni chieng rien. We say that the sun is shining. So it's just one of those beautiful days. Toin, what about you? In Kanye, where are you? Which part of the world are you watching me from? Inena, where are you watching from? Ka in Kanye, in Kanye, and Nairobi, and Kisumu. So that's how you respond when somebody asks you in Kanye, or maybe you call your mom or your dad or your sister or your brother and tell them, Mama in Kanye, Baba in Kanye, you know, Owadwa, my brother, ooh in Kanye. And if the many people, you can tell them, ooh Kanye. You know, where are you? An Dala. I am at home. Dala means home. Koro an ejikon. I am in the kitchen. Jikon is a kitchen, so it's very similar to Swahili, but that's what we grew up calling it. I guess there are other intense Luo meanings of jikon, which I'm also sure about. So if you're a Luo speaker and you're watching this channel, you can leave your comments in the comment section below. Was it dual? Aparoni and dual. Dual enango. What is dual? Is it jikon? Koro abet pin. I am sitting down. Abet ka. I am sitting here. Abet pin. I am sitting down. Pin is down. So it can be on the floor. It can be on a surface. But abet pin. Awoyo. I am speaking. Awoyo kodu. I am speaking to you, plural. Awoyo kenda. Kenda. And I am speaking Awoyo Kenda alone. Sometimes I speak alone. So where I am in the world, sometimes I can speak alone. I speak in Luo. I speak to myself. Koro. Ahero doa. Ahero. I love. Ahero doa ahinya. I love my language so much. Ahero do Luo. I love Luo. Ahero wacho do Luo. I love speaking in Luo. Doa mate na. My language is sweet. It sounds good on my tongue. Doa mate na ahinya. My language is very beautiful. It's sweet to me. It's sweet to me. It sounds sweet in my tongue very much. So there are lots of Luo speakers around the world. So it's not only in Kenya, but I'm a Luo speaker from Kenya. So the other Luo speakers all over the world. There's Luo speakers in Ethiopia. There's Luo speakers in Uganda. There's Luo speakers all over in a lot of places in the world. So where are you from? In Kanye, Ija Luo Makanye. Where are you from? And you're a Luo from which part of the world? Iya Kanye Epinka. Iya Kanye, where are you from? By the way, you can also say that, like if somebody has gone out or is going somewhere and they're coming back, you can ask them, Iya Kanye, where are you from? Our parents used to ask us that a lot. Iya Kanye Sani, and they would raise their voice. So that would be like, where are you coming from right now? So you can also, when you want to ask somebody politely where they're from, you can lower your tone. Or if you want to ask them which area they're from, you can say, Iya Kanye, like in form of a question. So I think that's about it for today.
Hello, Mom.
Hey, Koro.
Hello, Mom.
Hello, Mano Nyatina.
Mom,
That
like
is my child. So that's the end of our Luo lessons for today.
Mommy?
Tell me where you're from.
Would
Iya
you
Kanye.
like to stay out, Mommy?
Yes. Watch it.
Would you like to stay outside?
Hey. So that's about it. And mama, I am a mother. And Ginyati, I have a child. So tell me where you're from. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget, Nyinga and Achieng. My name is Achieng. Nyinginga. Tell me your name. What's your name?